Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fish in Warframe. Fishing is an important activity used to gather resources for crafting, standing, and progression. To begin, visit an open-world hub such as Cetus, Fortuna, or Necralisk and purchase fishing gear from the appropriate vendor like Luke in Cetus, the business in Fortuna, or Daughter in the Necralisk. After buying a fishing spear, equip it with your gear wheel from the arsenal while inside a safe zone. Next, head into open-world areas such as the plains of Eidolon, Cambion Drift, or Orb Vallis, and find a body of water. Press the gear key to equip your fishing spear, watch the water closely, and wait for the fish to appear. Then aim and throw the spear to catch them. Different fish spawn at different times of day and in different locations, so you may need to move around or return later. Once you are done fishing, return to the hub and trade your fish for standing or cut them into crafting resources. And that's it. We just learned how to fish by purchasing a fishing spear, equipping it, finding fish in open world areas, and using them for standing and cutting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.